In this video, I will show for all of you guys about how to get more like and comment for your Twitter post. In here, I have a post. For example, I have a post in here with zero like or zero comment. So I will need to copy the links of the post first. So we can come back to our software, our Twitter software. In here you choose the setting tweet. This function mean like you can get more like or comment for your post. You just to paste the post link into here, one post in one line. Just make them selling like this in here. So everything is very easy. Just you don't need to know how to coding, and you don't need to technology skill. Just only choose the only function you want to do, like post or comment. You can also using the AI or just put the everything you want to comment in here like this.
After we added the account, our next step is adding proxy to add the account.
With this function, I have three command in here. So you only need to choose on the account you want to get the setting, and after everything was done, just start now. So this software can automatically log in into your account and find the post of find your post with the link in here. As you can see, you can see it auto line and auto comment into your post. So it is very easy to use because you don't need to use any methods like SaaS or any Google extension to do it for you, because we have a software can do everything in just one software for you. Like you can like, comment, auto posting, or auto get more like, or auto watching video. After everything was done, as you can see here is the status and successful. You can see after everything was done, and we can come back to the post right now to check the notification. And as you can see here, we have on the line and some comment into my post after I just using a few minutes to using on the account for getting with the setting function. I get on the line and comment in here, as you can see. So if you want to this software and other software in on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, so you can DM me in the bio and contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you everyone for watching. See you in